So this is the ingredient we are going to use for this yummy chapati. We have this wet flour. It's amazing flour. We have salt. We have sugar. We have oil. We have 1 egg. We have leeks. This is what we call leeks. This is what we call baking powder. This is amazing. They make chapati to be soft and high quality and big. So we have warm water. It's not very hot, just warm water. We have this rolling pin, and this is basket we are going to use to mix it together. Thank you. So we are going to start from this wet flour. I need 1 cup. We are going to use 1 cup. This is my 1 cup. I put here. I'm going to measure this salt. Salt is just a little bit, not too much. This is enough. And the sugar is the same. After, we are going to put this baking powder. We use also this small spoon for baking powder. 1 spoon. Then we are going to add our amazing leeks. These leeks you can use for, this is what we use for sambusa, we use for burgers. This leeks is amazing and it has flavor and taste. And after you mix, this is 1 egg we are going to use also. We put in the middle. This is the oil we are going to use also. We put like this. So we beat these eggs like this. After you mix, then you add water. That's warm water. You keep mixing. You keep adding water and mix. So this dough is amazing and it will be soft. This chapati is amazing. So this is my dough. When it's ready, I cover only 10 minutes, between 10 minutes and 7 minutes. I cover like this. After 7 minutes, our dough now is good. We are going to divide into the balls. So when you're going to make balls, first you do like this, after you do like this. This is balls we are going to use for chapati. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is, we are going to make 10 chapati. Now, follow me for more. I am Chef Matabaro. Share my video from my Instagram, Chef Matabaro, TikTok, Chef Matabaro, YouTube, Chef Matabaro. To get more videos, make sure you subscribe it. Thank you for understanding me. I am Chef Matabaro. So after we put the balls, we are going to roll. Use this rolling pin. If you don't know how to roll, you do like this, touch like this and put in the middle, do like this. This is how to make chapati. This is my amazing chapati. So yummy, so delicious. Share this video for your friend. Try this at home. This is soft and yummy chapati. So amazing. I am Chef Matabaro. Follow me for more videos. This is how I make my chapati. When I finish throwing my chapati, I'm just put here small heat. This is my pan. We are going to cook our chapati now. This is the oil we will use. We put oil. And you take your chapati, you put here. And when you see these balls coming, you see these balls, you put more oil on top. After I do like this, you see this is brown. You keep adding oil to make your chapati to be brown and delicious. So this is my chapati. When you see these balls, it's time to return for other side. Wow, this is yummy. You see this brown? So this is what I want. When you see these balls, it means the chapati starts to be brown. So urabona hano yamaze kuba brown. So we are going to check another side. You see, this is amazing. We continue the same way. Put oil on top. As I told you, when you see these balls, it means it's time to return your chapati. Wow, this is good. When you see this brown, it means chapati is almost to be ready. You put more oil. So chapati is different for the way you make tacos. I will teach you how to make tacos. You don't put oil. So when it's ready, you see, it is yummy, and you put aside.